everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So I want to show you what I'm doing here. I am building a structure that will surround my Cape Cod honeysuckle bushes. And I am just putting these little wooden stakes down in the ground. I'm measuring them all out equally. And then I have chicken wire that is going to go around. And it's all because of my little monster, Sailor, because she likes to eat my plants. But I want to show you what Sailor can do now. She is 10 weeks old, and I am teaching her some tricks. She's so smart, guys. I know everybody says their dog's smart, but she's the smartest dog I've had. Sailor, sit. Good girl. Of course, it's all kind of food motivated right now, but she's learning. Sailor, down, down. Good girl. So she's learning to sit, down. Good girl, Sailor. Sailor, come. Good girl. So I'm teaching her basic commands right now. Sit, down, stay, and come. You want to do down, down, down. Good girl. Oh, she's so smart. She's so smart. It is so hot here, you guys. It has been, we've already reached 112 degrees. And I've had to, my Chinese elm trees are actually doing very well. They are holding up really nicely to the heat. My plum trees, not so much. And I have covered them with 50% shade cloth right now. And they're still alive, but they're just really burning up from the heat. Sailor, come. Sailor, come. Good girl. Good girl, Sailor. Come here. Okay, now you can sit. Sit, Sailor. Good girl, Sailor. Good girl. And Sailor's getting a little pull today. Come over here on the grass, Sailor. Come over here. Okay, sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Good girl, Sailor. So sit. Come. Good girl, Sailor. And she knows stay. Sailor, look at me. Pay attention. Stay. No. Come here. Come here, girl. Sit. Good girl. Stay. 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 Good girl, come. Good girl. So we do about 4 training sessions a day, about 20 minutes on each session, because that's about all the attention span she has as a puppy right now. So I'll have this hopefully finished today, this little structure. See what she does? Out. No. No. And she does not mind. Get out of there. Come on, Sailor, come. Sailor, come. Good girl. Good girl, Sailor. Good girl. Where are ya? I can't see you. Can't see you. And then over here on the other side, I'll show you what I'm doing over here is, there's my other tree that's covered with 50% shade. This side stays shaded pretty much till about, 10 o'clock in the morning. It gets half. This is my west side, and my house does shade it. But I get up early every morning about, well, Sailor gets me up every morning about 5:30, so we come out. We get everything watered early in the morning. But I have these fence panels that I have had for years, a good 20 years. And I am going to be, because I know that Sailor is probably going to get into my vegetable bins once I get them together. And I still have dirt stacked up. So I'm going to be putting the cyclone fencing across this area here. It'll have a gate in the center so I can get in and out. So I have cardboard in here that I will be adding quite a bit to. I found these cute, I don't know if I showed them to you yet, at the Dollar Tree. They're so cute, these little $1.25 spotlights. They work really well. No, you cannot get in there. That's what I mean. I know she's gonna, once I get this planted, she's gonna wanna get in here. This one I'm working on filling. And I have the arches, the 2 arches on either side. And then this bin here will have 2 arches in it as well. And that way I can grow maybe cucumbers up the vine or pole beans or something. But anyways, thought I'd give you a little snippet here of what I've been doing. Okay, Sailor, you're going to get your pool today. You're going to get your little pool. She loves the water. I guess retrievers do. So she is called a cream golden retriever. She is so smart. I've had many, many dogs, and I can say, honestly, that she is probably the smartest dog I've had as far as learning tricks. She picks them up quickly. So we still got to work on a few more, of course. I want her to shake and do all the cute things, too. Sailor, come. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Down. Down. No, I don't have a snack for you. Come on, we got to do it without a snack. Sit. Sailor, sit. Good girl. Down. Down. All the way. Oh, you don't like getting down on the rock. But anyways, I'll be back a little later, and I'll show you Sailor in her pool. She's so cute. I've got a curtain hanging on this one side of my patio, and I got to get the other one up. It provides quite a bit of shade. Come on, Sailor. Come on. I also wanted to show you this fenced-in. It's like a playpen for Sailor, and actually she is pretty good in the house. But I needed something that I could put her in, like if I'm running to the grocery store or doing something. I have a little fence that runs across my hallway right over there, but she's about able to jump that now. So what I like about this one, it has a top to it. I don't have that on yet, but I'm sure eventually she will figure out how to use these open little rungs here to climb up. But I love this, and Sailor doesn't mind it. I've got her bed in there, and this is from Amazon. I'll put a link in my description box. I think the entire structure was about, with tax, I want to say around $170. So it has this gate and little latch down here at the bottom. And this is really cool. It has this food and water bowls that come with it. And there's a little pin over here that you pull up. See if I can do this one-handed. And you can turn it. So if you want her, to have her food and water while she's in, or you can leave it this way. But I generally leave this open for her during the day so she can come in and out as she pleases. I don't want her to think it's, a spot where she has to go for punishment. So she really does like it. And as far as potty training, she's really, really getting good at potty training. Look at her. She takes a lot of naps still. She messes up, I would say, once a day. And I have these puppy pads. I have one here, one in my bathroom. They're washable, reusable, love them. And she goes to the door now, and she knows if she wants out to scratch on the patio door. Same thing if she's outside and wants in, she'll scratch on the patio door. Now, I don't really leave her out alone, but for quick little potty breaks, I'll let her go out. All right, I'll be back a little later and show you my progress on my structure I'm making and Sailor's pool. Okay, we're filling up Sailor's pool. She don't know what it is. What is this, Sailor? What is it? It's a doggy pool made for dogs or people. Bought from Amazon. It's nice because it's hard. You don't have to blow it up. And then when you're done, you just let it dry and you fold it up. So we're going to see.
Get in there, Sailor.
What Sailor's going to do in a pool. Come on, Sailor. I know you want to get in. I don't think she can get in, Lisa. Too tall for her. It's too tall, Sailor. You want to get in the pool? Come here, baby. Sailor, come.
Okay.
Oh, she's going pee-pee.
Come here.
Sailor, come.
Come on, Sailor.
Good girl.
Come on.
Good girl.
Come on.
You want to get in the pool?
Come here.
She's afraid. Sailor! Sailor, come here. Okay, let's see how Sailor reacts in her pool.
Ready?
Here you go, Sailor. What do you think? What is it? It's a big water bowl. Sailor. Sailor. Yeah, when it's 114, you can get in the pool. Sailor, I want to see your face. I want to see your face. Now she turns around. Sailor, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? So Lisa and I got my fencing up last night. I didn't get the chicken wire till late on in the day. It was too hot to put it up. So we've got now. There's Sailor. Sailor's trying to figure out how to get in there. She's clever enough. She might figure it out, but I hope not. So right now I just have zip ties holding it in, 3 on each little stick there. It's pretty sturdy. Just have to cut the end of the bolt off down there. This is one of my plants that she has just ate. You can see. I know it'll come back, and it's getting little flowers on it, but she sure has destroyed it. Sailor, no. No. No, Sailor. Now she wants to rip my tree apart here. Sailor, no. All right, everyone. Well, I'll see you soon. I'm going to share a little video about my California trip coming up next. And then we're going to do a little decorating maybe later this week. All right. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.